Ma'am, parang kwento-kwento lang yan. There's no such thing as zero MOE. There's no such thing as zero budget either. Ma'am, that's impossible. Saan mo yan narinig? Ipa-verify mo muna dapat. Hindi, sabi-sabi. Yan ang sinabi mo. Yan ang narinig mo. Verify mo ba? No. Answer my question. Verify mo ba? Verify mo ba? Verify mo ba? Yes or no? Okay, so next time, ma'am, i-verify muna natin bago natin itanong para hindi lang kwento. Okay? Hindi, tinatanong kita. Di ba, as journalists, it's also our responsibility to verify the information that comes to us before we ask those who are being interviewed. Okay, so next time, yes po ma'am. So next time, let's just verify. Kasi before that, kwento-kwento lang yan. As far as I know po, wala pong zero na ganun. Lalo na sa Gensan, who would be so stupid to do that? I mean, really. Thank you.
Ako po doon sa Basic Accommodation Secretary. Ito po yung mga government hospital, tama po ba?
DOH hospital.
Ayan,
So for
DOH
zero balance billing.
Yes.
Basic or ward accommodation. Ito yung shared accommodation.
Apo, sa zero balance billing po
Yes.
ito. Ano pong iba pang programa ng DOH na maaari pong makatulong naman doon sa mga kababayan natin na yung kanila pong sakit ay hindi naman po pwedeng i-treat under the basic accommodation. So kailangan din po talaga nila doon sa private hospital dahil yung sakit po nila ay hindi po matitreat doon sa mga ospital.
May I know what condition that is?
Like cancer,
We treat cancer in government hospitals.
gaya po ng PGH.
Gaya ng DOH hospitals.
PGH is DOH hospital.
No, it's not a
No?
DOH hospital. It's a University of the Philippines hospital.
So hindi na po siya yung parang government hospital like before.
It's a government hospital, but it's a university-based hospital. It's not under the Department of Health. It was never under the Department of Health.
Ano-ano po yung mga ospital na
Madami
pwedeng
tayong
puntahan
misconception, ano?
ng
Madami
ating
tayong
mga kababayan?
misconception.
Kasi po akala nila ang PGH ay under din ng DOH.
Hindi po under, so that's the job of the media to tell people that the Philippine General Hospital is called UPPGH, University of the Philippines, Philippine General Hospital. It is under the budget of the Commission on Higher Education. Hindi siya budget ng Department of Health.
So ano-ano po yung mga ospital na ito para po yung mga kababayan natin, alam na nila kung saan po sila pupunta para sa zero balance billing.
Ang matagal na po nating inanunsyo, nasa website po ng Department of Health ang listahan ng DOH hospitals sa lahat ng region ng Pilipinas.
Dito po sa Metro Manila nilang po.
We
para
have
yung-
22 in Metro Manila. Do you want me to enumerate them?
Pwede naman po para mas
I'll just send you the list of
Okay,
the
sige
22. Okay.